focus here. And really focus here. Keep focusing here. And now imagine that your right hand is becoming stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Really imagine, feel, believe and pretend. Keep looking here. And imagine that your hand is becoming very, very stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Really feel it, completely stiff and rigid like a steel bar. Now which part of your hand you feel more stiff and rigid? Which other hand, tell me, which part of your hand you feel? Here you feel more stiff and rigid? Now look at my hand. I'm taking this stiffness from here and spreading all over up to your shoulder. Your hand is now completely stiff and rigid like a steel bar. When you really feel that your hand is completely stiff and rigid like a steel bar and you cannot bend your arm, that time you try to bend your arm, you'll find not be able to bend it. When you really feel that you cannot bend your arm, that time try to bend your arm but you're not able to bend it. Try, but use your other hand. Put your hand here, hold it. Your hand is stiff? Hold it. As you're holding, as your hand is stiff, your hand is stuck to your hand, you cannot separate your hand. The harder you try to separate, the more tight. So try, but you cannot. Now this stiffness is moving from your hand, going to your shoulder, going down to the floor, into your legs. And your both the feet are stuck to the floor. Try to move your leg, but you cannot. The harder try to sit, the more tight it will. Try to move your leg, but you cannot. The harder try to lift, more tight it will become. Open your mouth. This stiffness. Goes here, your mouth is locked, you cannot close your mouth. The harder you try to close, the wider it will open. Try. Difficult, huh? Now release everything. Relax. Bend your arm, relax. You can move your legs. Good. Nice.